Hiya, I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. Today's video is a quick and quite silly warm-up to get you and your voice ready to perform. We're going to start off by pretending that we are chewing the biggest bubble gum ever. And then you're going to swap that for a hot potato. Back to the bubble gum. Hot potato. Okay, now I want you to give a nice gentle massage to your cheeks and your face, maybe a few light fingertip raindrops. And then in a moment, you're going to scrunch your face up as small as you possibly can to look like a gremlin, maybe something like this. After you've done that, we're then going to all together make a huge face as big as we can, like we're terrified that we saw that very same gremlin. So, gremlin, terrified, gremlin, terrified, gremlin, cool. So, now, stick your tongue out to the left, to the top, to the bottom, to the right, to the top, to the right, to the bottom. Ooh. Wipe if you need to. So, when we take a breath in, the oxygen goes to our lungs. Of course it does. But in a moment, when we take a nice, long, slow breath in together as a group, we're going to imagine that that air is filling our lungs and then also filling our whole belly too. And once it's full, we're going to do a big yawn all together as a group. So, after 3, long breath in and a big yawn. When I want the yawn to stop, I'll just do something like that. All right, so 1, 2, 3, a nice, long, slow breath in, yawn. Cool. We're going to do the same thing again now, except instead of a yawn, you're going to be doing a hum. And when you're doing that hum, not now, in a minute, I would like you to feel as if your lips are tingling. And if that doesn't happen, try pushing your hum a bit further out into the room. So we're going to go after 3, long breath and a hum. That means stop the hum. All right, cool. 1, 2, 3, in. Hum. Great stuff. We're going for a 3rd time now. When we're humming, I'm going to hold my hand like that this time. And when I go like that, I want you to do the same with your jaw, your mouth. Just let it open. You're going to turn your hum into an ah, not singing like a ah, but just any kind of sound that comes out when you're ah, like that. All right, so we're going to count 3. We're going to do a nice long, slow breath in. Then we're going to hum all together into an ah. Ready for it? 1, 2, 3. Ah. Great stuff. Repeat after me. P p p. T t t. D d d. P p p t t t d d d. M m m. L l l. N n n. M m m l l l n n n. P p p t t t d d d. M m m l l l n n n. Nice. Repeat these now. Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a peck. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Cool. Who thinks they've got it? Because in a moment, you're going to have a tongue twister battle with your friend, your person you're sitting next to. So one of you is going to say, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. And then the other one says it. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Back and forth like that until one of you stumbles or messes it up. And then the other one is the winner. It's as simple as that. Remember, you don't have to say it fast though. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. That'll count too. So pause the video to have your tongue twister battle and then hit play when you're done. Nice one. Good stuff. If you'd like to try another performance skills video, you can do that here. And if you want to subscribe, the link is on this side. Thanks for watching.